You're losing strength and mobility not because of age, but because you've stopped using a few key movement patterns. If you want to stay mobile, strong, and even reverse signs of aging, you should be doing these 5 exercises every single day. The 5th one is the most overlooked. Skip it, and you'll stay stiff for years. Number 1. The wall sit. This is your foundation for lifelong knee health. As you get older, the connective tissues around your knees start to weaken, not because of age itself, but due to inactivity. Wall sits strengthen the tendons and stabilizers that keep your knees steady and pain-free. Master them to maintain your freedom of movement. Here's how to do it. Lean against a flat wall. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your heels firmly planted and press your entire spine into the wall. Don't hold your breath. Breathe slowly. Aim for 60 seconds. This is how you build stability and protect your knees for decades to come. Number 2, the 90-90 hip hold. Most lower back pain isn't actually a back problem. It's a hip problem. When your hips become stiff and stop rotating properly, your spine has to compensate. That's why the 90-90 hip hold is so powerful. It works deep inside the hip joint, restoring the hip rotation we've almost entirely lost from years of sitting. Here's how to do it. Sit on the floor with both legs at 90-degree angles, one in front and one to the side. Keep your spine tall. If you find yourself leaning away, use your hands for support or a block to elevate your pelvis. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. This is how you unlock your hips in just 1 minute. Number 3, the deep squat. The deep squat is a natural human resting position, but most people over 40 completely lose it, leading to stiff hips and lower back pain. Your ability to hold a deep squat is one of the clearest signs of healthy aging. So can you hold it? This position acts like a natural lubricant for your joints. It pushes fresh nutrients into your hips and knees, keeping them healthy and mobile. Here's how to do it. Drop into a squat as low as you can, ensuring your heels stay flat on the ground. If you feel unstable, hold onto a chair or a door frame to maintain the position without falling back. Hold it for 60 seconds. It's returning your body to the position it was designed for. Number 4, the open book stretch. Modern life is a forward-leaning trap that rounds your shoulders and collapses your posture. The open book stretch is the ultimate undo button for the desk slouch. It specifically targets upper spine rotation, which is essential for healthy shoulders and a pain-free neck. Do this right now, and you'll feel your chest open and loosen up. Here's how to do it. Lie on your side with your knees bent and stacked. Extend your arms, then slowly rotate your top arm across your body toward the floor, following your hand with your gaze. Keep your knees pinned together. This is crucial for targeting the spine. Do this for 30 seconds per side. You'll feel your upper back loosen almost immediately. Number 5.